We're always talking about a small chance of making a difference. If you got a 1 in 3 chance of having a problem in your house today at this moment, it's something that you should do something about. And it's something one should think about more than once over the course of the lifetime of living in a house. People are very surprised and shocked. The first statement we do, in addition to talking about cancer and how we're going to treat it, and the new breakthroughs and therapies that occur, we got to go and get a radon test or make sure that your house is safe. Just because you've gotten it doesn't mean that there aren't other people who might develop a cancer at some time in the future. So it's important that we do testing. Every Utah resident should know that radon exists. It is radioactivity. It's a cause of cancer. You can't see it, you can't smell it, you can't feel it, um, but it's there in every house to some degree. And if and there are levels that are more dangerous than others. And if you don't test, you don't know whether you have a dangerous house or not.